Hi, I'm Namrata and I'm a part of Cosmo India's work from home issue. So guys, today I'm going to give you a little masterclass on what are the most essential brushes to use and what you should always have in your kit and what you should never travel without. So guys, this is a foundation brush. It's a nice flat brush. It's also quite narrow, so it actually goes into all the areas that you want to use. You can use this as a foundation and a corrector concealer brush. Once you use this and you blend it in with a sponge or your fingers, whatever you're most comfortable with, you can go in with a cream contour brush. That is, if you want to give your face a little bit more of a chiseled look. So this goes right underneath your high cheekbones. It goes along your jawline. It goes, around the edges of your nose, around the edges of your face to give that really beautiful intense contour look. Once you blend that in with your sponge or with your hands and you apply your powder to set your foundation, you use a lovely powder brush. This is a very, very soft brush. You use it in a circular motion, anti-clockwise and clockwise, all over your face, just to get rid of that slight powdery feel on your face. This is a beautiful contour brush, a powder contour brush. This again, you can go in and deepen your contour. Again, your powder contour on underneath your high cheekbones, your jawline and your nose, and then followed by a beautiful blush brush. Again, these brushes have to be super soft. Again, smile a little bit from your cheeks going into your high cheekbones, and then follow that with a beautiful highlighter brush. Again, it has to be super soft just underneath your eyes into your high cheekbones, and you can actually go like a beautiful C right around here. Going on to the eyes, this is a flat brush with which you can actually apply your eyeshadow on your eyes. So you actually use this and you apply your eyeshadows, and then you can go in with a fluffy brush which will actually allow you to blend the edges away. And if you are someone who loves your cut and crease, you can actually use a slightly smaller fluffy brush and actually go and create that cut and crease right there with these kind of brushes. It's also very good to blend out any edges, especially if you're doing a dark smoky eye. If you don't have that brush, you can actually use a pencil brush. Really, really good to again go in and blend out the edges and to create your cut and crease right there. The last brush, of course, in the eyeshadow series is your eyeliner brush. I like a brush with a little bit of a crooked, bent, style, which actually allows me to go into the inner corner very well. Next is my eyebrow brushes. I love an eyebrow brush which has a spoolie on one end. It allows me to actually brush out my eyebrows before I go in and I give it the shape that I need. I always use a slightly thicker brush. You can see how thick that is. It actually goes in and packs the color in very well and allows it to sit. And lastly, my last brush is a lip brush. Always, always invest in a good lip brush. It allows you to create that really, really sharp, beautiful lip, especially when you're doing dark colors, and it is an essential tool in your kit.